These sheets are so soft and so pretty. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we are doing a review of this sheet set. This is a queen size sheet set. Of course, you can get it in all sizes. We picked this up because, well, it was time to replace our sheets. This right here is why I chose this set. 100% cotton, guaranteed. No polyester, no plastics, 400 thread cotton sheets. And look at this color. We are going to go ahead and wash these because you should always wash your sheets when they're new. Before putting them on your bed, we're going to go ahead and wash them and then put them on the bed. There you go. Now you can see them and you can see just how pretty this color is. Oh, I love this color. They are so soft. Okay, we're going to throw them in the washer and then put them on the bed. Okay, sheets have been all washed and properly put on the bed. Okay, it's got nice stitching on it. No loose stitches, which is nice. These are so soft. Did come with the 2 matching pillowcases. I also want to point out that this mattress is like a 14-inch thick mattress, I believe. And it does, the sheets go all the way down. You can see they're nice and tight, so they're not loose. They fit really well on a deeper mattress, which didn't even look to check for that before I got them. So I'm glad that they do. The color is stunning. I absolutely love this color. They're nice and soft. They fit well. They washed really good. You can see, of course, they did not fade at all in the wash, which is also really important. So they should last a really long time. If you are looking for some great soft sheets for your bed, we recommend this.